We just got back from a week away when we went to Adelaide. Oh my word, the corn is literally not only flowering, which is excellent, but it's taller than me. I can't believe it's grown that much. The green manure is going off, the beans are flowering, and even though I've only put my temporary structure up, there's already beans growing up it. Just can't get over how much everything's grown. The tomatoes are tall. This bed is completely dominated by fennel, which has been growing around the tomatoes. Wow, 1 week's difference. So hard to believe. Yep, the zucchinis are growing. And we've actually got some teeny tiny eggplants. Just little tackers. But that's great. That's our striped Lebanese eggplant. And yep, I can see this one has got a bigger one on it already. In fact, that's eating size. So I think that's one of the Japanese eggplants. Yep, that is definitely eating size. It seems really tiny, but this is the flower of my Australian water lily, which is this leaf down here. These variegated leaves, sorry, full of fish food. Just decided to feed our goldfish while I'm here. There they are. Yep, it is, of course, being Feral Manor, the traditional bathtub goldfish pond. Very elegant. But yeah, I'm so pleased to see my water lily flowering. I've had it in there for a couple of years, but it's been a bit overwhelmed by the introduced water lilies. There you go. It's got a little fringed yellow flower. Very hard to film seeing it sitting right near protective mesh we have over the pond. Stops the birds eating our goldfish. The front corn hasn't grown quite as much, but it's still looking really healthy. And our sunflowers are out. That's excellent. Although, yes, some have already been trashed. Very disappointing. Presumably, I'm thinking cockatoos. Yep. They're not even at the point of really making seeds yet. Zucchinis, of course. My fancy French pumpkin isn't doing much. It is flowering. Can't see any fruit on it yet. But the other ones, the more traditional varieties, are going gangbusters. And putting out tendrils. There's fruit. Oh my word. This one over here. Just put my hand next to it, is actually eating size already. In fact, I think it's ready to go. Boy, that's a shock. Ah, yeah, bok choy's coming on well. Beans growing. Beans are growing at the bottom of the corn here. There's another zucchini and just fennel. I just left that one there, let it grow. It's really nice to get home because about 40 minutes after we arrived, it's just started raining again, and it's lovely. Just a really pleasant soaking rain. I'll be sharing some more about our trip and certainly showing you some views of some special places we visited when we went to Adelaide.